Timescales is a fun, fast, and efficient system for kids to achieve multiplication mastery. This right-brain visual learning method utilizes stories as a memory peg for effortless and quick recall of the upper times tables.
I want to introduce you to Mrs. Week. We call her that because Mrs. Week sat on a chair and fished. She caught 2 boots and 8 trout. Did you know there's a multiplication problem hiding in each story you just learned? Are you ready to find them? Let's see how it works with the practice flashcards. This flashcard is...
When it comes to how children learn, we realize that one size does not fit all, so we've tailored 3 multiplication mastery options to find the right fit for your child. The Multiplication Mastery Bundle is perfect for the child that is ready to learn multiplication, from concept to mastery, in 3 easy steps. Timescales Deluxe is a great fit for the student who has struggled to memorize the times tables through traditional rote learning methods. The individual Timescales programs are standalone and are perfect for the student that just wants to get the upper times tables nailed down fast. So give Timescales a try and become one of the thousands of happy and satisfied customers. Be sure to let us know your Timescales testimony.